If you can name foods in English but get tongue-tied when you try to explain what you like to eat, this lesson is for you. Many students know food vocabulary but don't know how to turn it into an answer. In this lesson, I'll show you the common mistake first. Then I'll teach you new speaking patterns that help you answer food questions clearly and naturally. Here is a very common answer.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza.
This is not wrong, but it is too short, too simple, and sounds unfinished. The examiner is waiting for more. Students freeze because they don't know how to continue after the first sentence. So today, I'll give you 3 easy patterns you can always use. I like nani nani because nani nani. For example,
I like sushi because it is healthy.
I usually eat nani nani when nani nani. For example,
I usually eat ramen when I go out.
I prefer nani nani to nani nani because nani nani.
I prefer rice to bread because it is lighter.
Prefer equals nani nani no hou ga suki. Let's combine the patterns. Example 1.
I like pasta because it is delicious. I usually eat it on weekends.
Example 2. I prefer vegetables to fast food because they are healthier. I usually eat them at dinner. Example 3.
I like curry because it is flavorful. I usually eat it when I feel hungry.
Notice something important. All answers should be simple, calm, and clear. 2 sentences or more. That is exactly what examiners want. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I like pizza because it is tasty. I usually eat it with my family. Next, I prefer fish to meat because it is healthier. I usually eat it at dinner. Now your turn. Pause the video and say your own answer using one of the patterns. Good. That's how you build fluency safely. Let's try some questions.
What food do you like?
I like noodles because they are delicious. I usually eat them for lunch.
When do you usually eat them?
I usually eat them on weekends. They help me relax.
Why do you like them?
Because they are easy to eat. They make me feel happy.
If you want to practice these patterns safely and stop freezing, download today's worksheet. It includes practice questions, follow-up questions, and model answers. The link is in the description. Remember, you don't need difficult English. You need a pattern, a reason, and a second sentence. Study with this channel, use the worksheets, and you will speak with confidence on the Eiken Pre-2 test. I'll see you in the next lesson.